Get your chicks ready.
Testing 1, 2, 3.
The challenges I found with working in a group was not necessarily wanting to move forward without kind of satisfaction across the whole group. This kind of made things a little slower than usual.
One of the challenges of working in such a large group is making sure that we stay on track and keeping to our deadlines. We always had to make sure we set deadlines earlier than necessary because sometimes things don't always go to plan.
Another challenge, I guess, it's like more of a personal challenge, is to let go of egos, and I think that they arise within designers, especially when we're so used to working by ourselves and doing things our own way and always being in control of things. And working in a group, we really had to let go of that control and put our trust in our other team members, which was fine because they're all awesome.
Working in a group is no easy task. I think the biggest problem the biggest challenge that we had to overcome as a group was understanding that everyone had a different opinion. And with those different opinions, some things are gonna clash, ideas, solutions are gonna clash, and it's not gonna be easy street from the get-go. But compromising and talking and collaborating, we were able to overcome these issues and ultimately create something that was awesome and that we would all be proud of.
I definitely found working in a group was so beneficial, especially when you hit a brain block, which happened many of a time. Having someone there to be able to show the design to and they understand the brief and are on the same kind of wavelength was so helpful in pushing through the boundaries and kind of making the designs better, because you can go further, but you don't necessarily have all the answers. So having someone else who is just as invested and is willing to give you time was very helpful, and I think pushed our branding and our quality of design further.
Working in such a large group, things move a lot quicker than when you're working on your own. One of the positive aspects is that you're able to delegate tasks to people where their strengths lie.
Working in a group or collaborating with others gives you an opportunity to focus and hone your skills in what you're good at. Because through collaboration, you expand your skill set and your repertoire to something much larger than yourself. And design is always about designing something that is larger than yourself. So taking advantage of everyone's individual work to come together as a group was something definitely you kind of had to adapt to working alone to working with people.
For future students taking on this project, I definitely think take it on with enthusiasm and motivation to achieve, because definitely you get in, what you put in is what you get out of it. So if you're enthusiastic and you're excited to build relationships, create a fantastic design and an event that you're proud of, then you're more than likely to be happy with the output and successful at the end of the project. Put in as much as you can. Don't overlook it as just a subject, it's more than that, and you'll pay off in the end and be very successful.
My advice to future students would be to go for it. This project has been so amazing and so rewarding, and I've shared it with such a great group and all the challenges we faced together, and I think it's turned out really well in the end.
For the students that are blessed with this task, and it truly is a blessing, you learn so much and meet amazing people, and I think that's really important for your folios and to getting work later on down the track. I think my advice to you is just to kind of go with the flow a bit. There are a lot of things within this project that are out of your control and that you can't deal with directly. So it takes a lot of patience and a lot of passion to get the work done.
I think from the whole experience, the thing that I've learned, and I think all of us here at QO17 have learned, is that things are gonna go wrong, and no matter what, you kind of just have to keep grinding away, because eventually everything's gonna come together. If you stick to a plan and you work together and you believe in each other, you'll be able to conquer anything, much larger than yourself and much larger than any issue in the world. It's about coming together, and I think that's the important thing, is if you stay true to yourself and you stay true to your team and you really collaborate with each other, you can do anything you really want.